Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to Nos Tutorials. Today we are going to see how to create a website in Jekyll. Jekyll is a platform which is used primarily for creating blogs. Even if you're not familiar with coding, even if you don't know HTML, CSS or any other language, you'll still be able to create an awesome website. Before going forward, I would like to make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Please leave a like, comment on this video, share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Now we'll go straight to our video. We'll type CMD on search bar. A command prompt will appear. Now before going forward, I'm assuming that you have already installed Jekyll on your system. Now when you want to create a website, you are going to want to store it somewhere. I want to store it in this directory, so I'm changing this directory. I'm going into that directory. I'll type cd, which is short for change directory, desktop, and nos. Now I'm in that directory and I'm going to want to create a sample website here. Actually, Jekyll allows us by using a sample, there's a simple command which creates a sample website structure. I'll show you that command. It is Jekyll new, and after this we'll type the name of that directory in which we want to store our sample website. I'm going to name it as blog. When I hit enter, after a second or two, yes, here it is running. Now as you can see, new Jekyll site installed. This is the confirmation message. Now that means that our sample website structure has been created. Now I want to introduce you to some of the folders and files here. This is the underscore post folder which will have our blogs, the blogs that we are going to post. Now they have already given us a sample blog, which is this. These blogs in Jekyll, they follow a certain naming convention. This is the date, this is the name of that blog, and this is the .markdown. This is the type of the file actually, and you can see they're separated by this dash. And when you want to create a new blog, you will always want to name them according to this. You must follow this naming convention. Now I'll go again in this directory. This is the config.yml file. Now YML is a language which stores key and value pairs. This is the page which is this is actually an HTML page which is used for page not found. This is our about page. This is the gem file which contains Ruby dependencies, and this index.md is our home page. Now you'll understand them better when I host it in my local server. For doing this, we'll again go to our command prompt. We'll go into that directory which is our blog. Now in this directory we are going to need to type a command which will start our server. So that command is bundle exec Jekyll serve. After typing this command and waiting for a while, our server will start. As you can see, the server is running. It is hosted on local server. This is the port number and this is the IP address. Now I'm going to open my browser and open the local host. As you can see, a website is already created. Now you saw that I didn't type a single line of code. I just typed a simple command which allowed us to create a sample website, and we already have a structure for our website. These are the blog post, this is the about page, and this is the title of our website. You will understand them better when I open all those files in my text editor. I use Sublime. I'll open my text editor. You can see this is the blog, this is that blog. Now you can see this is the date, Jan 15, 2019. This is 15, this is for January, and this is 2019. The title of our blog is Welcome to Jekyll, and this is that blog. This is the content in that blog. I'll show you. When I open this blog, you'll see this content and this content is the same. And when we change this content will be changed. Now the most important thing in a blog is the front matter. Now this is that front matter. These lines written in between these three hyphens is the front matter. This is a blog post, that's why the layout is the post. The title is Welcome to Jekyll. Now we can change this title. I'll show you. if we go to that blog again, this is that welcome to Jekyll blog. I'll open this in my text editor. I will change this to welcome. Now I'll save this and I'll refresh the page. As you can see, the name is changed. Now this is the date. We have written this on 15 Jan 2019, and categories is a front matter which is used for URL. Now when I enter in this blog, when I go to this blog, you can see Jekyll update. This was the category. We can change this category and this URL will also be changed. And we can also include other attributes here. Let's say I include an author. Name of the author is Nos. Let's say Nos. I'll save this. I will refresh the page. As you can see, Nos has appeared here. So we will now create a blog. We'll go to our text editor, and here we are going to create a new file for our blog. And for this we are going to type some front matter. Let's say we don't type front matter, we'll just include these hyphens, and then we'll type some content. Let's type hello world. Hello world. And we're going to save this file and we'll name it. Now you must follow the naming convention as I said earlier. Now you'll give this a date, which is, let's say, this 28th of October 2018, and you will include the name. That now the name is, let's say, Nos and dot markdown. You save this file, and now you will see that when I refresh this page, it will appear. As you can see, Nos has appeared and the content has also appeared, but you see that this looks hideous, right? So that's why we must include front matter for the theme to be included. Now let's go here. We'll give this a layout. Layout is post, and the author, actually we'll just copy, right? We'll save us a lot of time. We'll copy from here. Now always remember that this date should be same as this date, or you'll get a page not found error. And we are also going to change the title. If I want this title to be, let's say, solutions, and the categories is Jekyll update, which I said earlier is used for URL. The author is Nos. We'll save the changes. And here it is. The title is changed, as you can see when we go here, and you can see that the layout has also changed and it looks better now. We can include as many blog posts as we want here. We'll just need to go to this _.post folder, and we'll have to create a file here and follow this naming convention and make changes, and we'll have a new blog. Now we can also change this title. This is the title of our website, which can also be changed. We are just going to need to change our config.yml file. So I'll open my text editor, and this is that config.yml file. This is the title of our website. You can change this title. Let's say I'll rename it as Nos website. Nos website. And I'll save this. Now after saving this, you'll assume that this part will be changed, but so this wasn't changed. And why was that? It was because when you make changes in config.yml file, you must restart the server. Now for restarting the server, the command is different. We'll stop the current execution of the server, we'll terminate, and we'll type Jekyll serve. Now the first command that we used to start the server was bundle exec Jekyll serve, but when you are going to restart the server, you'll need this command. Enter. It's going to take some seconds, and yes, the server is running again. We have restarted it. Now we will refresh the page now. Here it is. The name of our website is changed to NOS website. This section is the pages section, and this is the post, and this is the title of our website. When we go to config.yml file, this is the mail which is going to appear here. This is the description, and this is the Twitter username, this is the GitHub username. You can change all of this, but you must remember that when you are making changes in the config.yml file, you must restart the server using Jekyll serve command, which is different from the command that we use to start the server in the first place. Now, in the next video, I'm going to discuss about this pages section, and also we are going to include some other theme. Now, the current theme that we are using is this Minima. This is the theme that we are using. In the next video, we'll use some other theme and we'll change the layout of our website. Thank you for watching this. Bye-bye.